But first, just 4 years after the devastating OVMC closure, healthcare along Wheeling's Oak Street is being revived. Thank you for joining us for 7 News at 6. I'm Bailey Martin. Child psychiatric care has taken Ohio Valley families away from the area for half a decade, but an option nearby has just cut the ribbon. 7 News reporter Colin Roos tells us how Orchard Park Hospital will provide kids much more than just an ear to lend.
Healthcare is being reborn in Center Wheeling, just across from the Future Cancer Center at the former OVMC building. The former Robert C. Byrd building is back in use as a local lifeline for children in crisis. The dedication of the new Orchard Park Psychiatric Hospital was one of gratitude and excitement, but more than anything else, it was a recognition of pressing need. Group therapy, individual treatment plans, and family meetings are finally back in Wheeling for children ages 5 to 18. The path to a happy and productive life lies within its double doors, with a staff ready to guide its patients there.
Anything that may hinder them from living a healthy life where they may be somewhat self-destructive, we want to help them, to help themselves, to help them feel better about who they are.
It's the result of 2 years of planning from the Children's Home of Wheeling, who are accepting children from West Virginia and parts of PA and Ohio. Their compassionate work means parents will be spared the anguish of waiting days for care for their child's urgent psychological troubles.
Could be anywhere from 24 to 48 hours waiting for somewhere to go that provides these services. That may be Morgantown, that may be Cleveland.
Governor Jim Justice took the podium to express something we all know deep down. Kids have it harder than they used to. He sees Orchard Park not just as a chance to change the lives of children and teens, but to give them their lives before they really begin.
And really, at the end of the day, the bottom line is they're worth it. That's all there is to it. They're just worth it.
The beds will just about be full when pre-planning ends in a couple of weeks. Tanner says it's a tragedy anytime children need psychiatric care, but it's a blessing that Wheeling is there to provide it. Reporting in Wheeling, I'm Colin Roos, working for you.